Okay, yeah, so I put the wig on my head. So now, and I put makeup on the lace and my wig cap. I didn't do the ball cap method. On my closures, I don't do ball cap method. I'm just trying to figure out now if I want to do my baby hairs first, or I'm going to be putting crimps into this hair. So I think I'm just going to do my baby hairs first, actually. And this wig feels really tight on my head, and I didn't do like spray it or nothing. Like, it feels really tight. So I don't think I'm going to use any glue today. I was gonna use my Got To Be glued, but honestly, this wig feels really secure in my hair. But I'm gonna cut this off because I look crazy right now. So let me put up this lace first. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut these off. Bedhead flat iron. These baby hairs just took mad long for no reason. But I'm just gonna use this band right here to just lay them down a little better. So I'm gonna be doing crimps today. So I did put heat protector on this hair. Hair sitting out for a little bit. So I don't know if I should go in and put more or just like leave it alone. I did put some on earlier, so I think we'll just leave it. So I'm just gonna be using this Revlon crimper. I had this crimper for a minute, so it's okay, I guess. I should really invest in a new one. Like, it's really old. But I'm just gonna be crimping my hair. And hopefully this comes out the way that I want it to. Because, yeah. I'm gonna make my sections, like, medium. Because I don't want them, like, too small. I love crimps, but they take so long, guys. But they look so good, but they take a really, really long time. Okay. Decent. A little bit. Y'all, it's so cute. back to my channel. So today, you guys, we will be working with AlloveHair. So thank you to AlloveHair for sponsoring today's video. This is a 24-inch 150% density 4x4 lace closure wig, and you guys, I just love how this hair came out. So I just went for a middle part with some crimps, very basic, but the crimps just bring the hair to life. Really happy with how these crimps came out. So I did use some of my Got2b spray as I was doing the crimps, and I feel like the Got2b spray helped the crimps kind of get more of like a shine to them. So you guys can, they look really shiny and just so healthy. This hair is 24 inches like I did say. Not long at all. I did bleach this hair as you guys seen in the video, and I did pluck this hair as well. This wig is a 4x4 lace closure. Now I didn't know that when I was working with it. Now it kind of makes sense, because when I was trying to do my baby hairs, it was kind of hard for me because the parting space is so small. So I kind of wish it was a 5x5 lace closure, because I'm not really used to 4x4s. A lot of times I love my 5x5s because it gives me a little more room to work with the lace a little bit more. It was kind of hard working with that a little bit. My baby hairs are very flowy. As you guys can see, they're not hard at all. I just used my Ebon hairspray. I also want to mention, you guys, this wig is really tight. So not really tight, but it's to the point where you don't even need any glues or any sprays. But I did go in and use some Ebon spray just to give it like a little bit of extra security. But honestly, I really didn't even need any sprays or glues because this wig felt really secure on my head already. And for my baby hairs, you guys know I use my Ebon mousse as well. So I'm just really happy with how everything came out. I feel like the crimps look so good, you guys. Like, look at how flowy and cute these hair as well. I believe this hair is in a natural black color, but honestly, looking at it, it almost looks jet black, but it really not. But like far away, it kind of looks jet black. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I just love how this style came out. It was so cute and so easy to do, which I'm so happy with. But yeah, that was everything for today's video. I thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button down below. Also hit that bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys in my next video.